Doing a 2.5 ton here in Little Canada. Got our Gibson unit going in with my typical coil. My day and night coil. Go downstairs and see what's going on. If I can sneak that case coil out of there. This one is just a little bit short. I think the canvas might make up the difference, so I'll pop her in and see what happens. Okay, got the old one out, the new one ready to go in. Gonna put these together and flush this line set. That insulation falling down like that. Everything was going just perfect. That coil slipped right in there. I just got to make a little patch for this little overhang here. But look at that. We don't have any 2-inch fittings, so I'm going to have to run to the store and get some 2-inch to offset around our line set here. Got her in. Gibson. Not a bad looking little unit. Looks like she's not level though. I'm gonna have to get some rubber in there and straighten that out. She's in, all buttoned up. Quick one. Our second job of the day. Old 2-ton in a townhome in Woodbury. It's an interesting coil on these Gibsons. This morning we used ICP coil on our Gibson. Sweet. Get this coil out of here. Pop the new one in, flush it. In case anybody's wondering, this is not an acceptable rail system to hold a coil by any means. Fired up, taped up these holes that were leaking dirt the best I could. I'm surprised the old coil wasn't plugged solid. $60, 79 degrees in the return, and about 15-degree drop right now. Still out there adding refrigerant, trying to get this 12 degrees superheat. Got a piston in this one with our Gibson system. Check back on this in a bit.